What's up guys, I'm Steven with the Veloci Performance Products. Today I'm going to show you a quick little video on our MTM Hydro Ultimate Shine tire dressing. We just finished cleaning this Maserati, and of course we can't leave the tires looking this dirty. I'm going to show you guys real quick what a difference this can make on a car and how much cleaner your look can be, especially after you just washed your car. So I'm going to go ahead real quick, apply this to half of it, and let you see what it looks like. This tire dressing has a unique silicone formula that reduces sling while using just a minimal amount of the product. If you want to pick some of this up, just go to mtmhydroparts.com or check out our dealer network.